Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Discovery Plus annual plan step by step clearly. First, confirm where you subscribe to Discovery Plus because cancellation must be done in the same place you paid. If you subscribed on the Discovery Plus website, open a web browser on your phone or computer. Go to discoveryplus.com and sign in with the email and password you used for your subscription. After you log in, click your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Select Account or Account Settings from the menu that appears. Find the section called Subscription, Plan, or Billing. Look for a button or link that says Cancel Subscription or Manage Subscription. Click Cancel Subscription and read the message about what happens after cancellation. Choose a cancellation reason if the page asks you to select one. Confirm the cancellation by clicking Confirm, Cancel Plan, or Submit. Check the page for a confirmation message that your plan is set to cancel. Open your email inbox and look for a cancellation confirmation email from Discovery Plus. If you subscribe through Apple, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap your name at the top of Settings to open Apple ID options. Tap Subscriptions and find Discovery Plus in the list. Tap Discovery Plus and then tap Cancel Subscription. Confirm the cancellation when Apple asks you to confirm. If you subscribed through Google Play, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Tap your profile icon and select Payments and Subscriptions. Tap Subscriptions and choose Discovery Plus from the list. Tap Cancel Subscription and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. If you subscribed through Amazon, go to Amazon.com and sign in to your Amazon account. Hover over Account and Lists and open Memberships and Subscriptions or your subscriptions. Select Discovery Plus and choose Manage Subscription. Click Cancel Subscription and confirm your choice. After canceling anywhere, verify the end date so you know when your access stops. Take a screenshot of the confirmation page or keep the confirmation email for your records. If you do not see the option to cancel, contact Discovery Plus support and provide your account email and billing details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.